Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and this time we will be learning how we can speed up Microsoft Edge or make it load faster, and how we can increase the downloading speed of our Microsoft Edge. Okay, so let's get started, and let's open first our Microsoft Edge. Let me just maximize this one. Okay, so once we're in the Microsoft Edge, let's click on the three dots button, which you can find in the upper right corner of your screen. And once found, please click on extensions. And once, okay, click on manage extensions. And once you're in the extensions tab, please make sure that you have or that you don't have any spammy or any unwanted extension in your in your Microsoft Edge. And if you do have, please make sure that you remove them, and you can remove them by just clicking on this remove button here. And you can also turn them off by clicking this button here. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to the settings options, and we can do that by making a click again in this three dots icon or button. And now we need to go to the settings options. So once we're in the settings options, from the left pane you will see an option that says start home and new tab page, so please click on it. And under the When Edge Starts section, you will see three options here: open the new tab page, open tabs from the previous session, and open these pages. So you can also add a new page or add a page whenever Edge starts. For example, you choose this one and then you can add a new page. For example, www.google.com. And then add. So whenever you open now your Microsoft Edge, the home or the first tab that or the first page that you will see is the google.com page. Okay, so if you want to delete this one, you can also do that by clicking on this three dot icon here, and then either delete or edit it. Okay, and if you want to also add a new page, you can do so by clicking on this add a new page button. Okay, so that's how you do it. And the next step is to go again with the three dots, and here we need to go to settings again, and now we need to go to cookies and site permissions. So here in the cookies and site permissions, all we need to do is just click on this. Okay, so let me just go back. So let's click on all permissions, and please do select all the options here, and make sure that you turned on the option that says ask before accessing, which is recommended. Okay, so just turn this on, and as well as for all the other options. You can also block all the pop-ups and redirects or intrusive ads. You can also block them by clicking on it, and then by turning on this option that says block on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. Okay, so once done with this one, now to increase the browser downloading speed, all we need to do is to go to the URL section. Let me just add a new tab, and in here we need to type for edge : /flags. It's edge : // and then flags. And then once done, click on enter. And in here you will see search flags search tab. So here we need to type for download, and you will see parallel downloading options. So here we just have to enable this one, and to choose that option, all we need to do is just click on this drop down button and then just click on enabled, so that whenever we're downloading a certain file or data in our Microsoft in our Edge, then it will use the parallel downloading option. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed in the Mac, Windows, Linux, or Android. Okay, so that's how you do it. And after doing all the process that we made, please make a quick restart with your device so that our changes will take effect after we do a restart. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.